Hi again. In this video, I'm going to present you the employees and the clients tab. Basically, this tracker is offering you the option to train both employees or and clients, and you have the option to record only employees if you're training only your employees, or record your clients if you offer training for your clients or for your clients employees, and so on. So everything you have to do is to come into the employees tab, add any new employees like me as an employee, or new employee example. Once you record the employee name, the new employee name, the system is highlighting all the cells you have to record in the tracker for that recorded employee. So you have the employee ID, you have the employee position, you have the employee department, you have the employment date like January 1st, 2020, and the employee status, if it's active or not. Once you select active, the tenure will be automatically calculated. If you select the employee is not active anymore, you will have to record the date when the employee has become not active anymore, and this will make the tenure to stop at that date. So February uh, January 1st 2021, and we see that this specific employee was working for us only 1 year, 0 months and 1 day, from February January 1st 2020 up to January 1st 2021. If we are deleting the status change, meaning when he is not active anymore, this employee is still active, and we see that he's working for us for 5 years, 5 months and 11 days. Okay, I've told you that you can select the employee position and employee department. These are just dummy data in here. If you want, and most definitely you will need to change that list, you can do it from here. So anytime if I'm deleting new this last position, we will see that it is not present in our list anymore. So I have new position in the last time. So add demo position. Once we do that, this will be available in our employee position list. Same thing with the department. Let's record one demo department, and you will see that this is available in our departments list. So you can delete everything from here, from the position list and from the departments. Record your own position and departments and use it once you will record any new employee. In the clients employees tab, this is also very simple. You will add a new client. You can delete, of course, everything from here. Select this and delete, and record your new list of clients, but I will just go and add a new client on the top of this list. So we have a new client. Once you record, but let me delete these ones. So new client. Once you add a new client's name, you have exactly as in the employees list, any cells, all the cells will be highlighted, and you have to record data here. So for the new client, I have contact person name, to say so. I'm just recording dummy data. The location of this, maybe New York. Phone number, I don't know, a phone number, and any random email, contact yahoo.com. And this is all you have to do to record a new client. That's how easy it is. In the right section, this is completely automated. You don't have to do anything, but once you record the new training logs here and participants, in case you are attending clients to your trainings, this right side section will offer you a summary of all the trainings that any of the clients recorded has participated, and how any employees has been trained for that specific client. So we have client 1, for example. He participated at 3 trainings. Last training, it was on June 25, 2025. The last training name is data privacy and protection, and in total for this client you train 27 employees, but employees for this client, not your employees, the company you are working for, to say so. Okay. So for the client to 1 training, September to September 2nd, time management and prioritization, and 3 employees. Okay, that is all for the employees and clients. That's how easy it is to record your employees and training and clients. And this is a part, to say so, from the settings of this tracker. So you set up your training categories, training modules, employees and clients, and that will be all so far. See you in the next video for the training logs and training participants. Thank you.